Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to use Google Maps offline without internet in 2025. If you're traveling and do not want to get stuck without directions, here is how to set it up. First of all, open your Google Maps on your phone, then tap your profile picture on the top right and then select offline maps. Next, tap on new and then just search any city, or you can either put your current location. Then just go ahead and hit the download. Once it's saved, you can navigate, search and get all directions in that region even without internet. Safety tip: keep your maps updated before traveling. Go ahead and offline maps expire after about a year, and outdated ones might miss new or roads or locations. Quick fixes: if you cannot find the option update Google Maps in the App Store, then try the offline feature. It includes the latest version. Yeah, that's it. This is how you guys can use Google Map without internet in 2025. I hope this video helped you guys on how to do that. If you did, let me know in the comments. Give this video a thumbs up to help others too. And hey, if you like simple tech fixes like this, consider subscribing for more. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.